Core Spreads is an independent, low-cost financial spread betting and CFD broker that launched in September 2014 and is owned and operated by Finsa Europe Limited, a company that is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Core Spreads provides traders with very tight and fixed spreads on a simple, no-frills platform that's both intuitive and easy to use. Core Spreads offers a web-based spread betting platform providing a user-friendly and reliable access to the markets on both desktop and mobile devices. The web platform offers quick execution and low fixed spreads on thousands of markets. The platform allows clients to spread bet indices, FX, commodities, and a range of shares. Besides the web-based platform, Core Spreads also offer the popular MT4 trading platform, downloadable to desktop and app. The MetaTrader solution comes with variable spreads, although they claim to keep the commissions low. In January 2016, Core Spreads launched a new trading platform which has considerable improvements over Core Trader 1, including advanced charts and a new pricing engine designed to reduce the number of trade rejections in fast-moving markets. Minimum deposit requirements are low and the degrees of leverage on offer are generous, allowing you access to the full scope of what spread betting has to offer. What they offer is a simple and fast trading platform with very tight fixed spreads. Try the one-click demo for yourself. There are a few things that Core Spreads don't offer though. News, analysis, tutorials, all the free stuff and nice-to-haves that are costly to provide. Instead, they try to deliver extra value in terms of tighter spreads to clients. Core Spreads offers some of the tightest fixed spreads in the industry for popular markets. Core Spreads offers the following fixed spreads on its spread bet platform: 0.7 pip on the Euro US dollar, 0.9 pip on the GP US dollar, and 0.8 points on the FTSE 100 and 1 point on the DAX. On the Core MT4 variable spread platform, there is a commission of £1 per lot, again offering excellent value. So here we have the live trading platform. Now, the key thing really to remember with Core Spreads is the beauty really is in its simplicity. And this is why I believe this is more suited to a trader that has some experience already with trading rather than someone that's just starting out. If you're an experienced trader, you tend to just want to get on with the fact of trading, and you tend to have your own tools elsewhere, like your own charting package and your own information that you're getting from other subscription services. Whereas with a new trader, you tend not to have that and rely more on your broker to provide that information to you. So that's kind of where Core Spreads is more geared, I would imagine, at a trader that's more experienced, because it is very basic. But having said that, the beauty really is in that simplicity, that it's very quick and easy to use. Now here on the left we have a market explorer. We can search for a particular market just by entering it here, or we can just go through any one number of the options. We can just look at the euro pairs or the dollar pairs. We have just the very basic simple market information that you would need. Once again, if you were an experienced trader, you would pretty much know where you want to get in and get out at, and so really you kind of just want that important information right away, and to make that trade, that an easy quick method of making that trade. So you've got the trade button here. Comes up with a very simple option of just buy or sell. You set your amount and so on, and then you can either have it place an order based on a certain order level, which means you're sort of setting a criteria to open or close an order at a future point. We also have pretty basic charts, but having said that, most people that I'd imagine will be using this would be more sort of experienced traders, so they wouldn't really be reliant fully on what we're seeing here in terms of a charting platform. But what they do have is that they have over 31 indicators that you can choose from, and there's a good range there. Also, they've got various chart styles. We've got candlestick open right now, which is the most commonly used one amongst most traders. And so, you know, there's a good decent range there. So we will make a trade. So let's have a look. We will do a rolling spot on the euro US dollar. So say if we wanted to find some information about the euro US dollar, give us some very basic information, trading times and so on. We can add to watch lists if we want to create new watch lists. Say if we want trading watch list, and that gives us options to create different watch lists. So we can add it to that. So we have a trading watch list here. So say we'll add the euro US dollar to our watch list. I want to add it to trading watch list, and then we ended up in the additional tab there. So it gives you a quick access to the sort of the ones that you want to watch the most. But we'll make a trade as we said we were going to do. So we'll press place trade. We'll get up the chart as well. Let's have a look. Euro US dollar. Let's open that chart, see where we are. So there's a bit of potential support there, possibly on the 1 minute, but we'll look at the 15. Kind of like a wedge-shaped candle, a wedge-shaped triangle there, almost. There's some consolidation, but overall, yeah, we're seeing it push up a little bit more. So we're seeing some support there. So just for the sake of this demonstration, we will go long. We'll go and buy £2 per point, going long, buying. It shows us our margin, and we submit, and we've opened the order. Now we can print the order off. We get all the order information there, and we're good to go. And here we can see the results of where we are so far. We have the margin that's been taken to cover that trade, current profit and loss. We can amend the trade if we want to, the open price and the current price, and what type of trade it was. So we bought. Now what is pretty good is that it's incredibly quick and easy to close the trade as well. So instead of, you know, selling to close and doing all the reverse, sometimes that takes a little bit of time. So really what you want to do is do something that gets you out of that trade, so you don't have to worry about doing the reverse of what you just did to close it. And all you need to do is just click on close and then submit, and you've closed it. Admittedly, we closed at a loss there, but we're just using that as a demonstration of the trading platform and to show how easy and quick it is to trade. So that really is, in a nutshell, their trading platform. It's simple, it's quick, it's clear, and very easy to use. It's not so much so suited for the new beginner, somebody that's never traded before, because there's no there's no hand holding or educational tools or helpful hints here and there. It's just as is. And as I've said before, the beauty here is in the simplicity of it. So if you're a more experienced trader, this is kind of more of the platform that you'll be looking to trade with, more so given that the spreads are very small. And there are some other things to note with regards to the trading platform, is that they have guaranteed stops and trailing stops. One cancels other OCOs, and good till time and date orders too. And one of the fabulous things with this is that you can place a limit order or a stop order just 2 pips away from the current market price. Funding and withdrawing money from your trading account need not be complicated. CoreSpreads sticks to this ideal, and there are several methods for making a deposit and withdrawing money. These include using a debit card, credit card, Skrill, or completing a bank transfer. To open an account with CoreSpreads is very simple. You just click sign up and fill in the form. Now there's no minimum amount to open an account. The minimum stake per pip is 0.50 pence, 50 pence per point. There is a free demo account available. You have 2 options. You can open a basic demo account, or you can use the one-click demo, which doesn't require any sign up at all and just simply launches a demo in your browser. There are plenty of markets available with CoreSpreads. There are 33 forex pairs, all the main euro, Great British Pound and US dollar crosses, plus some Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar pairs that you might find useful from time to time. There are commodities, including gold and silver, 11 global stock indices, including the FTSE 100, DAX and Dow Jones. There are UK shares, all the FTSE 100, and then all the FTSE 250, plus some of the FTSE 350 as well. There's 100 plus European shares, big names like BMW, Deutsche Bank and Volkswagen. And there's 500 US shares, a wide variety including Apple, Google, Facebook, etc. And they offer markets via spread betting and also contracts for difference, CFDs. The trading platform can either be the spread betting platform that you see here via their Core Trader 2 platform, which is both web and mobile. Or if you're trading CFDs via desktop and the app, you can use MetaTrader 4. Now in general customer service, I found their support fairly responsive. They have an online live chat facility direct on their website, and customer services via telephone from 10 PM Sunday night all the way through to 10 PM Friday night. CoreSpreads offers a unique sign-up bonus for clients who sign up from the link in the description of this video. An uncapped welcome bonus of up to 50% of your first month's spread and commission. Terms and conditions apply. There are no complicated release criteria. The bonus is yours to use as you wish. Now please note, this offer is only available on the spread betting platform. There are many advantages to using CoreSpreads. For example, registration is not required to use the one-click demo. You just simply click once on this button. Now, spreads are really good. To be honest, you'd have to expect that from a new broker these days, as they try to gain some market position. And I doubt they're sustainable long term, though time will tell. There are also some great fixed spreads on the FTSE 100 at 0.8, and generally very good spreads overall. Personally, I prefer fixed spreads and always opt for a broker with a fixed spread policy. Now, as ever, there are some disadvantages, and CoreSpreads is no exception. The main one with CoreSpreads is that they have a limited range of markets. Also, there are no educational add-ons or live seminars. There's no daily commentary and certainly no complex charting packages to play with. There are no webinars and there are no live feeds. Although, to be fair, they do make it clear that this is part of their business model. So in conclusion, these guys have the best spreads out there for staple commodities, major FX pairs and indices. Maybe not great for beginners, as there are no add-ons such as education, charting packages, signals, etc. But for active traders, the better value spreads will save you more than enough money to pay for whatever subscription services you want to use for these things. A CoreSpreads account as such is likely to be of interest to CFD and spread betting traders who already have their own sources of market information and have no need for the educational and analysis materials offered by other brokers.